What's up, guys? My name is Kia Billingsley. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this Tech 21 Evo check case for my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 that I just received in the mail. I'm just gonna open it up and throw it on my cell phone and let you see what it looks like. So let's get started. This is the box that it comes in, guys. Nice presentation. When you open it, you slide that out like that, and you're with the case. You're presented with the case. I have picked up the smoked black Evo check case for my Galaxy Note 8 because I was gonna get the white one, but the white cases and clear cases period tend to get yellow later on. So I picked up black, and I'm going to put it on my Galaxy Note 8 right now. I'm going to let you see what it looks like. This is what it looks like on the cell phone, guys. I like this case. It's nice. It has the edges raised up lip for drop protection. I also have my tempered glass screen protector on there, guys. Let me show you a walk through the phone. Around the phone, you got a microphone there. Nothing else on the top. On the sides, you have volume up and down, the Bixby button, nothing down here. At the bottom, guys, you have your headphone jack, charging ports, another mic, the speaker, and the S Pen, guys, and boom, you can get the S Pen out just like that, no problem. I just wanted to get on here, guys. Oh, and the power button. I just wanted to get on here, guys, and let you see my new Galaxy Note 8 case that I ordered, guys. Rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.